Okay, guys, so this new generation of kids is just something else, okay? I don't know, but they just blow my mind. They are different, okay? They are some different set of kids. Like, honestly, my son is turning 7, so we are planning to have like a birthday party for him and everything. Um, so I asked him what he wants for his birthday. Okay. The kid is not asking for any toys or anything, just straight gadgets. Okay. You know, I watched this video on TikTok. It was a TikTok? I think TikTok. And the kid, his dad, sent him outside to play as punishment. And he's like looking through the window, like, so dad, can I come back in now? Like, what am I supposed to do out here? Like, what? What do you mean? What are you supposed to do outside? Like, when I was growing up, I was always outside. I love being outside. Like, I play dollhouse. You bake your mud and your dirt in the little sausage or sardine cans that your parents throw out. Whatever. You build your little stick dolls and stuff like that. You sew your doll clothes. I played marbles a couple times. I'm not good. The boys were like better at the marbles. Building those cardboard trucks. And like, I don't know what this is called, cartwheel or whatever. But when they like have a stick and they're like rolling a tire or something, Chinese skip, you know, jacks, jacks with the ball. What other game? Sightings, football, netball. I played a lot of netball in primary school and high school. Um, what else? Just it was just so much fun to be outside. Oh my goodness, right? I love going to mango bush. If I got mango bush, bird bush, nothing sweet like bird, okay? Right? And it's like now these kids, to put them outside, it's punishment. Can you imagine that? They don't know what to do, like riding a bike. They don't want to do that. They want to be inside in their bed on their online games. You're calling them, you ask them to do something, they can't go because mom, it's an online, I can't pause it. I don't want to die in my game. Sometimes I call Jojo and he hears me, but he just like, I can't come right now, mom, because I'm playing online and yeah, I don't want to lose. He does play with like cars. Sometimes he will play with like his Hot Wheel cars. What else? He has like a marble run. Um, those are the two toys that I see that he plays with a lot. The marble run, the Hot Wheels. What else? Yeah, pretty much those are the two toys. The one good thing about him is that he likes soccer. So I normally put him in soccer during the summer, right? And he plays soccer. Even today he took his soccer ball to school. He plays soccer on his break and stuff like that. So that's the one good thing. At least he's still active. He's still out there, right? But for his birthday, it's gadgets. So let's go to Best Buy and see what I can find for him in my budget. We're gonna go into Best Buy, guys. Oh gosh, these TV guys. Look at these TVs. I these TVs are so nice. Wow. Look at this TV, it's so big. Let's see what is 85 inch that one. My goodness. Okay, guys, so Best Buy had a lot of TV on sale. This one was 55 inch, 50 inch, and this was like 65 inch, and this is just like $600. This here is like a 75-inch TV for $2,000 Samsung. Um, my absolute favorite was this LG 65-inch. It was just $600. I really have that on my wish list. Then I look at some Chromebooks. There were so many different sizes there, some on sale.
I did see one that I like for him. It was like 2.99, and it's touch screen and it bends like, like a notepad. So I really like those features about it, especially because it's touch screen. For his age, they don't want to be using mouse too much. Okay, so then I looked at some earphones, when they're playing their games and stuff like that. They like to like have their earphones on and one with speakers so they can like talk to their friends. This is so cute that they had it in pink. Oh my gosh, yeah. So of course I had to try them on. Okay, this is the PlayStation 5. There were like Nintendos. And then I saw these glasses, they're called Al something, and I was just like, never seen these before. So of course I tried them on too. Yeah, these are like smart glasses. Okay, I don't know what this world is coming to. I'm telling you, everything is smart and technology and this and that. This is actually my first time like holding a drum or seeing a drum. For real. So I was like, okay, these are cool, but the prices were like $1,000 or $800. Like definitely not in my budget. And this PlayStation was like expensive as well, very expensive. Anyways, I got him like some roadblocks or whatever, these game cards that he can purchase stuff while playing games.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you what I got today. So I got him this one, like a Roblox gift card, $25, because I know playing Roblox without this money, it's like okay, it's like it's not enough to play games online. You still have to buy put money on there to get all these different features, whatever, blah blah blah. His thing, I don't know. And I also got him this book. It says, "How Not to Babysit Your Brother," which he said sister, but still I find it, cute. And he's into Nintendo, Mario Kart. So his two favorite characters are Piranha and Yoshi, but he already has Yoshi. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna surprise him and give him the Piranha and see. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna open this one. See. Okay, guys, so I plugged it in and it came on. I won't do any more because I want to like set it up with him, right? To make it fun and all. So yeah, there. Very nice. I think he's gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.